we will be exploring some amazing facts about India. India is a country that is rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. From the bustling cities to the serene beaches, India has something for everyone. Let's dive in and discover some amazing facts about this fascinating country. 1. India is the world's second largest country, with a population of over 1 billion people. It is also the most populous democracy in the world. 2. India is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, with over 25,000 species of plants and animals. The Taj Mahal is one of the most famous landmarks in India, and it is located in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. 3. India is known for its rich cultural heritage, and it has a wide range of traditional dances and music. 4. India is also known for its delicious cuisine, and it has a wide range of spices and herbs that are used in many of its dishes. The chaat snack is a popular food item in India, and it is often served with ready yogurt dip. 5. India is home to some of the most incredible natural wonders in the world, such as the Himalayas, the Ganges River, and the Taj Mahal. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world, and they span across India, Nepal, Bhutan, and so there you have it. 5 amazing facts about India. We hope you enjoyed this, and we wish you all the best on your future travels to this fascinating country. Thank you for watching.